It can be difficult to focus on taxes during the busy holiday season, but there is still time to potentially reduce your 2023 taxes. By the end of this video, you have learned 5 ways you can potentially save on taxes. Now let's get right into it. Tip number 1 is to defer income to 2024. Thanks to the high inflation we've had over the last few years, there will be an inflation adjustment in the 2024 tax brackets. This may result in you keeping more money in your pockets if you defer year-end income or bonuses until next year. Keep in mind this is only a useful strategy if you expect your income to be about the same next year as it was this year. Tip number 2 is to gift from your IRAs. For those of you that are over the age of 73 and have required minimum distributions, you are able to give a direct contribution to a charity of up to $100,000. The amount that you give is excluded from your taxable income. Tip number 3 is to lock in losses. If you have taxable accounts, you should consider evaluating your portfolio holdings to sell off the losers. For our clients, we look for tax loss harvesting opportunities throughout the entire year. But we also take inventory at year end to see if there are any last minute opportunities to reduce taxes. One key thing to note is that in any year, you can use up to $3,000 in losses to offset taxable income. Losses in excess of $3,000 can be used to offset gains in future years. Tip number 4 is to maximize your contributions to your employer-sponsored retirement plans. By doing this, you not only are reducing your taxable income, but you are contributing to a tax-deferred investment that can compound over time free of taxes. And finally, tip number 5 is to use up your flexible spending accounts. If you have a flexible spending account, this is a use it or lose it type of account. If you've contributed to this account in 2023, you want to be sure you use up the funds for medical expenses before the end of the year. You can do this by reimbursing yourself for any medical bills you've paid for out of pocket in 2023. In summary, if even one of these 5 tips applies to you, you may find yourself saving on taxes. And as always guys, thanks for watching and be sure to catch us in the next video.